Good morning. Woke up early today, Saturday morning, and felt like it was time to get out for a walk. Enjoy the outside. Tell you what, guys, if you have time to walk in the morning before you really start your day, it can change your whole day. So that's what I'm doing this morning. I'm going to shoot for doing that every day before work. I used to do that and I felt so much better. My days went better, was in a better mood. So today's the beginning of trying that again. Now let's see what we can do with the rest of the day. So we decided to take a drive to Kima to go to some fish markets to see if we can get some fresh seafood.
Check out the fresh fish. See what they have.
The good stuff. So we'll see what we get. This is a bit sketchy. We didn't plan on going off-roading or mudding.
Oh, we drive trucks in Texas.
Yep.
East, South Texas.
Rose's Seafood. Let's go see what we can find in here. A little bit of everything in here.
Yeah. I'll get you here in a sec. I know we can freeze shrimp for at least a week or so.
That's a big one. Well, we plan on going to several different places and just hitting it up, but here we came to this one, Rose's, and
Yeah, Rose's Seafood Inc.
yeah, we walked out with 2 of the tuna steaks, 2 pieces of the mahi, and what was it, 2 fillets of codfish,
Yes.
and a little bit of seasoning, and we walked out less than $30.
Some salt-free Tony's. Give that a try.
Yeah.
Yeah. Price is fair, comparable to any place else. Definitely good.
Yes.
Definitely happy.
Yeah. So now we get to go home and decide which fish to cook. So we decided to go with the tuna steak for dinner tonight. That's the one that we're gonna try first. This is a lemon pepper seared recipe, and I'll put a link to that in the description. So yeah, let's try it. The first thing it says is to put the tuna on a plate and pat it dry, which I've already done. Then you're going to sprinkle generously with lemon pepper. This is so easy because this is the only ingredients that you need. Lemon pepper, olive oil, minced garlic, butter, and lemon. So bear with me. Hopefully this will be great. So I'm starting here with the tuna. Gonna sprinkle the lemon pepper seasoning on it. The recipe said to be generous, so I sure wasn't holding back. I gave it a nice good sprinkle, generous sprinkle, and then flip to the other side and repeated. Made sure both sides were coated well. So in your cast iron skillet, you combine your olive oil and your butter, and you mix them well. And once they start to bubble, you add in your garlic. Once this is simmered for a little while, you add the tuna. And you move it around in there just a little bit to make sure you get that butter and garlic mixture on each side right off the bat, and then flip. And then I just did the same with the second. Tuna for 4 minutes, and then you're gonna flip it. 4 minutes each side. That's all it takes. Had a little trouble getting a hold of this one, but I finally got it to cooperate. After the second 4 minutes is done, you're going to take it out and put it in a plate and let it rest. Cut your lemon and squeeze some lemon juice all over it, making it nice and juicy with that lemon flavor. I decided to serve it alongside with rice and spinach. Okay, here's the final test. Tell me what you think. Good?
Very good.
That's too easy.
Good, really good flavor.
It was good. Today was a win. And again, I'll put the recipe for this dish in the description. And stick around because we've got some exciting things coming this summer. We've got some trips planned. We want to share them with you guys. So like and subscribe if you haven't already, and leave us a comment. We love to hear from you. Bye.